Hey, this is Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to get started with the Power Lead system, one of the most powerful online digital marketing companies out there on the internet. This is very exciting and I can't wait. I was asked this question just earlier today. If this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos just like this. Now you know what time it is. You know who this is. This is Shelton, and today we're going to talk about getting started with the Power Lead system today. Now today I was just notified earlier from one of my customers of how to get started with the system. He signed up, but he just didn't know where to begin. Now when I first got started with this system, I didn't know where to start either, and I needed someone to point me in the right direction, exactly where to go, because I was new. And when you're new, you're just clicking everywhere. You're getting emails. You're getting a ton of emails from different types of opportunities, and you don't know which one to take. And then you look at the Power Lead system. You're like, man, what is this? How do I get started? Where do I go? Let me see if I can call somebody or go to YouTube or maybe go to my sponsor to find out. Well, your worries is all over. I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. And don't forget, right below this video, I do have a link of how to get started with the Power Lead system. You'll be part of my team and we'll go ahead and have a great year in terms of making money online, starting your own business, fire your boss, all that jazz. Now let's go ahead and get to the content. Now when you first get started with the Power Lead system, when you go ahead and opt in and go and sign up, you're going to get a username and a password. Now I have my username and password already set up, but you will need to go ahead and set that up. It's free, it's easy to do, and if you lose it, you can go ahead and click right here. If you forget your username and password, you can click right here. So this is really the first screen you'll get when you're trying to get into the Power Lead system. So you'll go ahead and log in right there, and it's actually mycompanyadmin.com. That's really what the URL is, mycompanyadmin.com. Now when you first get here, depending where you are in your business, all this will basically be green. All this stuff will be red except for this, the gold member. Now, if you're a gold member, this will automatically be green. Now, if you already uploaded your picture, this will be red, but you want to turn that to green. And these are levels in the Power Lead system. This is the diamond level, the platinum level, and the Master Traffic Institute all in level. So let me go back. Go ahead and click on that. So basically, when you first log in, depending on where you're positioned, all this would be red pretty much. And you go ahead to upgrade, you want to click on here and purchase what level that is. Now, I'm going to give you a short overview of which the levels are, but the gold level is the beginning level that you'll go ahead and sign up, and then you'll go ahead and upgrade to the diamond level, platinum, and the Master Institute. Now, when you first log in, obviously it says click the easy button. So the first thing you'll do, you'll click on the easy button to get started. And it's 3 simple steps really when you get started with the Power Lead system. You want to watch this short video right here. It's a short video. It only lasts about, I would say, about a good 10 to 12 minutes. So you want to go ahead and watch this short video here. It basically introduces you to the Power Lead system and the benefits about it and what you need to do next. So it's really cool. A tutorial video about what it stands for. I'll go ahead and play a little bit of it. Just a little bit. I'm just fast forwarding, a little bit. And it pretty much shows you exactly how to really get started. Like, it's really a 12-minute tutorial video how to get started, which is one of the best things I like about the system, is that it's step-by-step process to make things easier. Keep it simple. Then the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the Facebook group. Click on the Facebook group to get signed up. Now that Facebook group is very powerful because you can go ahead and put questions in there and somebody there will go ahead and answer it as part of the community. This community is very awesome because people is always there answering questions and giving value. So you definitely want that, especially if you're brand new. I believe you may be brand new. I'm going to check. Are you brand new? Are you? Okay. Okay, you are brand new. Okay, if you're brand new, this is really good for you because if you're new, you can go ahead and post a question in the group. The second thing you want to go ahead and do, here is your links, advertise A or B. Now, if you have a primary business, if you already have a primary business, which means if you have another opportunity that you're promoting, you can go ahead and put that link right here. You can put that link right actually here. Now, if you're just promoting the Power Lead system, the lead lightning, all that jazz, you will go ahead and use referral A. So it's really that simple. And you'll just go ahead and put here, have my primary business. This is my primary business link I have right here. And this is my primary business. And I'm promoting Power Lead System at the same time. If you're lost, if you're any confused, you can go right back up to this video and it will show you exactly what you need to do. So from there, honestly, you'll go ahead and do those 3 steps. And then you want to go back to the Get Started button here. And you want to go ahead and add your picture. So you want to definitely add your picture here as you click on there to add your picture. So this is my picture here in the Power Lead System. So you want to add your picture here and update it right here. So right here, and then go right there, update, upload. So you'll go ahead and choose your photo and you'll upload your photo there. Let me go back. And then the next thing you want to go ahead and do is that you want to go ahead and add your domain. So you want to go ahead and add a domain. It's about $17.97 a year, which is a steal really. And you want to brand yourself your own domain name. So I have my domain name is, AdamSheltonCoaching.com. So you want to use your domain name because when you go ahead and promote your links, you want to go ahead and use your domain name to brand yourself. So mine is AdamShelton.com, and I use that domain to go ahead and promote my business. So you want to go ahead and use your own domain because it's about branding. See, I'm starting an online business. It's not just, having a bunch of links and capture pages, but it's also about branding because it's about branding yourself because that's important as well. People want to get to know you, your story, and exactly how you do business as well. So there's the steps right here. You go ahead and you click here to go and get started there. It's very simple to do. $17.97 for an entire year. I mean, that's crazy for a domain right there. So that's like a short overview in terms of getting started in the system. It does have the how to get help. You can click here. If you have any trouble in terms of where you're at in the system and things like that, it does have a help button there. And then the next video, what I'll do a later video in talking about each level that these are, and I'll show you also how to promote the links as well in terms of the Power Lead System. So I just want to do a quick overview. When you get started, you'll go ahead and click the easy button. Then you are a gold member. Make sure you're a gold member at least, and you want to go ahead and go through the steps under the easy button. So that's a quick overview of what that is, and I'll see you guys on the next video. But just in case, and don't forget, click on the link below to get started with this beautiful system, the Power Lead System. It's a system here that you can make residual income on a weekly basis, and you have an opportunity to build a business and help all kinds of people with this quick, easy system in terms of helping other people and growing your business. I'm so excited about it. Click on the link below and let's get started. You'll get when you get started, you'll get a text message from me, and I want to go ahead and schedule a one-on-one meeting with you before you can get started. So you're not alone at all. You're not alone. So I just want to let you know you're not alone. You're going to get information from me, and we're going to go ahead and set your business up as soon as humanly possible in terms of the final steps, the first and second, third steps. Click on the link below, and I can't wait to see you on the other side.